Hello everyone and welcome back to Quadratics Academy. This is Satyatej and today we will be solving some questions on quadratic equation. So let's get right into it. Now the first question. The solutions x1, x2, x3 of an equation x cubed plus ax plus a equals to 0 where a is real and a is non-zero satisfies x1 square by x2 plus x2 square by x3 plus x3 square by x1 equals to minus 8. Then find x1, x2, x3. Now they have given that the roots of equation x cube plus ax plus a equals to 0 are x1, x2 and x3. That implies we can write that x1 plus x2 plus x3 will be 0 since the quotient of x square is 0. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 will be 0 and x1 x2 plus x2 x3 plus x3 x1 will be a by 1 that equals to a and x1 plus x1 into x2 into x3 will be minus a. We got these three equations and now they have given that x1 square by x2 plus x2 square by x3 plus x3 square by x1 is equals to minus 8. That means we can write it as x1 square by multiply whole equation by x1, x2, x3. So we will get x1 cube x3 plus x2 cube x1 plus x3 cube x2 is equals to minus 8 times of x1, x2, x3. This equals to minus a. That equals to 8a. x1 cube x3 plus x2 cube x1 plus x3 cube x2. Now we know that x cube plus ax plus a is equals to 0 for x1 comma x2 comma x3. That means x cube will be minus a times of x1 plus 1. Sorry, x plus 1 for x1 comma x2 comma x3. Now substitute this equation in the above equation. We will get minus a common. We will get x3 times x1 plus 1 plus x2 times x1 times x2 plus 1 plus x2 times x3 plus 1. This equals to 8a. That implies a got cancelled out. We will get x1 x3 plus x1 x2 plus x2 x3 plus x1 plus x2 plus x3 as minus 8. This is 0 and this is equals to a. That means a equals to minus 8. Now substitute the value of a in the above equation. So we will get x cube minus x cube minus 8x minus 8 equals to 0. This is the actual equation. Now we have to find the roots of this equation. Now let us substitute x equals to 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 2. We will get for x equals to 0, we will get the equation f of x as non-zero. If we assume this as f of x, f of x will be non-zero. For x equals to plus or minus 1, f of x still be non-zero, but for x equals to minus 2, f of minus 2 will be 0. Therefore, one of the root of the expression f of x equals to 0 will be minus 2. That means f of x can be written as x plus 2 into something. Now, to get this value, we can divide x cube minus 8x minus 8 by x plus 2. That means we will get x plus 2 into some x plus 2 x cube minus 8x minus 8. Divide, multiply by x square, x cube plus 2x square minus 2x square minus 8x minus 8. Now again multiply by minus 2x square minus 4x minus 4x minus 8. Again multiply by minus 4 minus 4x minus 4 8 0. That means f of x equals to x plus 2 into x square minus 2x minus 4. Therefore, if we take the root as x1 minus 2, then x2 comma x3 will be roots of this equation. That means x2 comma x3 will be minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. That equals to now x3 will be 2 plus or minus root over 4 plus 16 by 2. That equals to 2 plus or minus root 20 by 2. That equals to 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 by 2. Therefore, x2 will be 1 plus root 5 and x3 will be 1 minus root 5 and x1 will be minus 2. Now, hence, we got the solution. Therefore, x1, x2, x3 will be minus 2 comma 1 plus root 5, 1 minus root 5. Let us go into second question. Now, the second question. Let p of x be a polynomial with degree 2008 and leading coefficient 1 such that p of 0 equals to 2007, p of 1 equals to 2006, p of 2 equals to 2005, and so on. P of 2007 equals to 0. Determine p of 2008. That means they are saying that p of x is a polynomial with degree 2008 with leading coefficient 1 and p of 0 equals to 2007, p of 1 equals to 2006, p of 2 equals to 2005, and so on. P of 2007 is equals to 0. Now, this can be written as p of x equals to 2007 minus x for all x belongs to 0 comma 1 comma and so on 2007. It's something similar like p of x plus x minus 2007 equals to 0. That means if we take f of x as p of x plus x minus 2007, then f of x can be written as x plus x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into hence on x minus 2007. Since x 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, hence on 2007 are the roots of equation f of x equals to 0. From here we will get that. That implies p of x equals to x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into hence on x minus 2007 minus x plus 2007. Therefore, p of 2008 will be 2008 into 2007 into hence on up to 1 minus 2008 plus 2007. That means p of 2008 will be 2008 factorial minus 1. Here factorial means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into 1. We need not this expression as n factorial. Therefore, the answer will be 2008 factorial minus 1. Now let's move on to the next question. If alpha and beta are the roots of x square plus px plus q equals to 0, and alpha power 4 plus comma beta power 4 are the roots of x square minus rx plus s equals to 0, then equation x square minus 4qx plus q square minus r equals to 0 always has, means they are asking about roots of equation x square minus 4qx plus 2q square minus r equals to 0. Now, if we want to find about roots, we should know about d. Now, first we will find about d. D equals to b square minus 4ac. That equals to 16q square minus 4 times of 2q square minus r. That implies d equals to 8q square plus 4r. Now, they have given that x square plus px plus q equals to 0 has roots alpha comma beta, and x square minus rx plus s equals to 0 has roots alpha power 4 and beta power 4. That means q equals to alpha into beta and r equals to alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. Now substitute these two values in d. We will get d equals to, take out 4 as common, alpha power 4 plus beta power 4 plus 2 alpha square beta square. that equals to D equals to 4 alpha square plus beta square whole square. Now we got D. And now since D is a perfect square, D is always greater than 0. Therefore, there are two real roots. Correct. Now we should find out whether they are positive or negative. For that, let us take the equation x square minus 2x minus plus 2q square minus r equals to 0. Now substitute x equals to 0. We will get 2q square minus r that equals to f of x. That equals to 2 alpha square beta square minus alpha power 4 plus beta power 4. That equals to minus alpha square plus beta square whole square. Always negative. That means, and the A is greater than 0 and the f of 0 is always less than 0. That means the graph will be like this. Therefore, one root will be negative, one will be positive. One positive, one negative root. Option A and D. Now, let us move into next question. Now, the sum of real values of x satisfying the equation x square minus 5x plus 5 whole into x square plus 4x minus 16 equals to 1 is. They are saying that then sum of all values of x satisfying this equation. So, this can be done in three different ways. 1. X square minus 5x plus 5 is equals to 1, or x square plus 4x minus 60 should be 0, and x square minus 5x plus 5 should be non-zero. Since 0 power 0 is undefined, we need that the down one as non-zero and the upper one should be 0. In these two cases, we will get the value as 1. Now, for the first case, x square minus 5x plus 5 equals to 1. That means x square minus 5x plus 4 equals to 0. That equals to, this can be written as x minus 4 into x minus 1 is equals to 0. X equals to 4 comma 1. For x equals to 4 comma 1, it will satisfy the equation. Now for the second part, x square plus 4 minus 60. X square minus 4 plus 4 minus 60 should be 0. That means the roots will be minus 4 plus or minus root over b square 16 minus plus 4 times 60 by 2a into 1. That equals to minus 4 plus or minus root over 16 plus 240 by 2. Minus 4 plus or minus root over 256 by 2. Root over 256 minus 4 plus or minus root 4 plus or minus 16 by 2. That equals to minus 4 plus 16 by 2 comma minus 4 minus 16 by 2. Here we will get 6 comma minus 10. Now we will substitute 6 and minus 10 in equation in the in this part. Square minus 5x plus 5 should be non-zero for x equals to 6 comma minus 10. Satisfies. Therefore, the solutions for the equation x square minus 5x plus 5 whole power x square plus 4x minus 16 is equals to 1 will be x equals to 1 comma 4 comma 6 comma minus 10. Therefore, sum of roots of this equation will be 1 plus 4 plus 6 minus 10. That equals to 1. Therefore, the answer will be 1. Answer will be 1. So this completes our chapter quadratic equations. If you have any doubts or if I have any missed any of the concepts, please let me know in the comment section and see you in the next class.